Have you ever wondered about the latest geopolitical tensions between Israel and Iran? The situation is a delicate balance, teetering on the brink of escalation. International concerns are mounting, yet the specifics remain shrouded. In the midst of all this, what do you think is Israel's response? Israel, known for its resilience, is preparing for any potential threat. This small but mighty nation is fueling its readiness on multiple fronts. Military preparedness is a given, with their forces trained to respond swiftly and effectively. Yet it doesn't stop there. Israel is also sharpening its intelligence capabilities, keeping a close eye on developments across the region. Furthermore, they are actively engaging in diplomatic efforts, seeking to foster dialogue and mitigate tensions. Israel's readiness is not just about defense, it's also about maintaining dialogue. Israel understands the importance of diplomacy and the power of information. They are not just a nation gearing up for conflict, but a country striving for peaceful resolutions, using dialogue and negotiations as their first line of defense. Simultaneously, they are vigilant, constantly gathering intelligence, staying one step ahead of potential threats. Their eyes are always open, their minds always analyzing. Israel's strategy is not just about might, but also about insight and foresight. As tensions rise, Israel remains steadfast. Balancing readiness with diplomacy, they maintain vigilance, ensuring their nation's security. They won't rush into conflict, but won't shirk from defending their sovereignty. In the complex landscape of the Middle East, Israel stands as a beacon of strength, ready to protect its sovereignty and people.